and it's quite fluffy around here as well. The whole wolf is fluffy, but we can reflect that a lot more on our upper layers. So we're just looking at how the fur's positioned around here. And it sort of gradually sort of brings itself around. I'm going to do something with that bit down the bottom there at some point, because I don't like that colour either. It's not, I say this on quite a few of my tutorials, with the fact that you can sort of add something, come away with a fresh set of eyes, or come back to it with a fresh set of eyes, or it's not until you start adding other sort of colours in that you can see that something needs changing. So art's quite fluid. I mean, it does have some warmth, but that's a bit garish. If I can't lift it out, it doesn't matter too much, because it's just going to be an underlayer. Okay, that's good enough. Right. I'm thinking with the dark sepia, where is it going to be? So it's about there. There's a darker area coming in under that muzzle.